Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is end of the season and the time has come for us to take the boat out of the water. I am hauling it away and taking it home so I could winterize the boat. I'll try to get as much footage as I can to show you how to winterize the boat. I know the last few videos we showed you how to de-winterize it and put it in the water. Now we're going to do the reversal of that. So hope you enjoy it. Any comments, questions, please post them.